lovelies. So there are some airdrop projects that you don't need anyone to beg you to mine because the potentials are very high. And one of such airdrop projects is this Dragonz Land. Now guys, go and mine this land. I'm going to put in the description box and also in my pinned comments, my first pinned comment, the link of how to join this airdrop project. Please go and join. Now I'm going to walk you through how to farm or mine this Dragonz land now. So in case you are new to my vlog channel, my name is Susan and this is that channel where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop updates, how to earn money on the side while you're waiting for that job, or even as a 9-to-5 worker, my no-fail commercial recipes on cakes, small chops, food trays, event decoration, millinery tutorials, and so much more. So this is that channel you want to stay subscribed to. So let's dive right into it. I'm just going to click on the cancel here for this pop-up. I'll click on the cancel. Now this is, let me off the sound so that you can hear what I'm saying. So now this is how the interface of my Dragonz land look like. Now see, this is your level, this is your diamonds, this is your wallet. So the first thing I usually tell people to do once you start an airdrop project is to come here or look for where there is wallet and connect your wallet. So I'm going to do that now. So once you come to this place, click on wallet. Now once you click on wallet, you can add your turn keeper. You can connect your turn keeper, or you can connect your Venom. You can, if I want to show you a video on how to create like a Venom account, please let me know in the comment section. I'll create it. Now I'm going to add my own turn keeper to it. So I'll click on connect. And once you click on connect, it will load like this. And it will automatically redirect it to your turn keeper, and you'll also connect your turn keeper to your Dragonz land. So you see, it said connect wallet, and this is within the Telegram mini app. Yes, within the Telegram mini app of Dragonz land. So I'll click on connect wallet, and once I click on connect wallet, it brings me here, and I'm now going to click on this particular turn keeper here. And then to redirect me to my turn keeper app, and I'll click on connect here. As always, I'll click on connect here, and once I click on connect, it's going to show done, and it's going to take me back to Dragonz. Yes, and you see my wallet has been successfully connected. That's the reason why it's showing here. Now I'm now going to click on back to app. So this is just how to connect your wallet to Dragonz land. Now let me cancel the pop-up here. So I've walked into the face to the connection of wallet. Now what you need to do is to tap this egg here. You're going to tag this dragon egg. You tap it. Let me show you. As you're tapping it, you're earning more dragon coins. So just keep tapping. So make sure you always tap. Then you can level up your tap. This project is quite simple. See now, each tap I have is one tap, so you can level up your tap. So now that's that. I'll come back to that later. Then you come down to the stacks. I've always said that whenever you've connected a wallet to an airdrop project, the next thing to do is to do your tax. On some platform they'll call it tax. On some mining project they'll call it earn. So you just click on this tax, and once you click on the tax, see what it says. It said complete all tax to earn more points. So let's say I want to do this tax now. It says claim the Bybit Discord access, and I just click on it, and I'll click on join, and to take me here, and I'll just cancel and go back, and I'll click on verify. You see, it said you have received. So you just keep doing them until you've claimed this. I'll do this particular, this new tax, I'll do them today. Let me click on this yes coins. Hope you're not fading this project, yes coins. Hope you're not fading it, guys. So, and I'll click on I'll come back and I'll click on verify. And so I'll do that. Now then you scroll up, you go to that tax and come to daily. It says daily reward. Make sure you do this daily reward. Come to this place here. Click on this daily reward and come here and click on claim. Always log in and click on claim. Then say like and retweet a daily post. I'll click on like and retweet. I'm not liking or doing any of that, so I'll just come back and I'll click on verify and wait for it to load, and automatically I've done that tax. Then say watch and earn. So I'll click on watch. It will ask me to claim your reward. Make sure you watch until the end and verify. So when I click on watch, it should take me to like this Telegram ads. Don't cancel, just leave it for the ads to play to the end. And once don't cancel, just wait for it to load, for the ads to load. So I'm just waiting, and I think we've come to the end of the ad. Then you see, I've viewed it. Then I'll click on verify, and that is how to complete the daily tax here. Now you invite friends. Now let me show you something here. If you invite a friend, for every friend you invite, you get 5,000 Dragon coins or tokens. If you invite a friend with premium Telegram, that is a friend that has premium Telegram, that is in Telegram premium, you have 25,000 for that friend. So then if you've claimed, all these ones are one-time tax, all these ones there. So you just do them to end. By the time I'm done with this video, I'll go and do them to end. Now you come to friends, you will see the number of friends you have. Now if you've invited every friend you invite that is not having Telegram premium, you have this 5,000 Dragon coins. If you invite 3 of such friends, you have 30 diamonds. You get? So this is one way of getting this particular guy here. One way of getting it. If you invite 10, you get 100 diamonds. Do you get, guys? So if you now come here, if you level up, if your friends that you invited level up, you earn plus 1,000 diamonds, and like that. So this is one way of getting diamonds. Now if I click on this, let me go back to the feed. If I click on this diamond that is here, and I click on this plus sign, it shows you another way of earning diamonds. Now you can earn more diamonds by either buying it with your Telegram stars, or with your Ton, or with your Venom. You can buy it with Telegram stars, or with your Ton, or with your Venom. Any one of it. So if you want to buy your Telegram stars, you make sure that it is on this Telegram stars, and you buy Telegram stars cheap from fragments.com. I've shared a video of that already, and it's on my YouTube channel. I think I'll leave the link of it to this video. So you make sure it's on this tab, then you click on the ones you want to buy. And if it's Ton or Venom, that is, you want to use crypto to buy it, you click on this tab, make sure it is on this tab, and then you buy it. So now let's go back. You can also buy from your OKX wallet, your Bybit, your Getio, and or Get.io rather, and all that. So I'm going to click on back, and I'm back to the feed. Now I've talked about feeds, I've talked about tax, I've talked about friends. Now let's talk about rank. So now you click on the rank. You click on this rank here. And once you click on this ranks, it brings you here. For now, I'm in level 1. So how do you like increase your rank? Keep playing, keep tapping, keep playing and keep tapping. I'll still show you other things. Then click on these guards. You can join guards like village. Some people call it, some AIRDOP project call it village, some people call it different names. So I'm just going to look for, I think I'll choose Nigeria. I don't know. Let me see if I can still join this. Okay, because I'm a Nigerian, so I think I just joined this guard. Then you can also create if you want to create. You can also create if you want to create. If you want to create a guide for people to join, you just click on this plus sign here and you follow the instructions and you create. And once you've created, you can share the links for your friends to join. Now, I've talked about, let me come back to the feed. I've talked about tax. I've talked about friends. Sorry about that. I've talked about friends. I've talked about ranks. Now I'm going to talk about cards. Now once you click on these cards, you have the option of buying cards or boosting cards or upgrading cards, whatever way you want to call them. Excuse me. Of upgrading cards. And then if you upgrade a card, let's say I'm upgrading this particular, it's not, my network is kind of slow, so these signals are not okay. They're loading now. The images are loading. Once you upgrade a particular card, you will earn, to show you the profits you are going to earn. To show you the profits you are going to earn. So if I click here now to upgrade this card, you can upgrade this card to 15. This is 0/15. If I buy this card now, I can upgrade it to 15, and I will need this. I can use my diamond for this particular card. It's only diamond you can use to purchase it. Why for this one you can use your Dragonz tokens to purchase this. So if I click on this one, I'm not having any diamonds. It will tell me yes, I don't have enough diamonds. See it here. But if you have diamond, you can purchase it, and then every hour is going to earn you this particular figure every hour. Same thing with this if you use your coins. Then there are others here. You click on this tab here, see one here, see champion. Just click on this card and buy them. The more cards you buy and the more boosting that you boost them, the more profit per hour you're going to get. Do you guys get? So that is how it works. That's how it works. So that is cards. So another thing is to join their Telegram channel. I'll come to that. You can click on this booster here. Click on this booster. No, before that, every day you have this, like every time you have this 1,000 taps, like you have 1,000 taps. So you click, you tap, sorry about that, you tap it. Yeah, it's a congratulations, you just leveled up to orange diamonds. So the more you tap, the more you can also level up. So I click on got it. So you keep tapping, and once this how to increase the levels, once this tab here is full, once you're doing your tax, once you your cards are upgraded and are making money, coins for you per hour, and once you're doing your tabs, this tab is going to fill up, and once it fills up, you go to another level. So I'm now in level 3 of 12. When I opened this app this morning, I was level 1 of 12. Now I'm level 3 of 12. I think I just like this interface. It's the airdrop is fun. It's fun and easy. So you click on this gold rush. Now remember to check the description box and my pinned comment for how to join. So click on that gold rush, and once you click on the gold rush, you will see this icons here. This. See this. So you can come here and increase your profits, your tokens. You can increase them. If I have enough coins, I'll just start with this one first. I'll use 25 diamonds to get it. You use diamonds to get this, and you're going to be earning every 24 hours. If you have more, you go with this. You use 50 diamonds to earn this, and you'll be earning every 12 hours. That is, to be earning every 12 hours. So you keep doing that for this. I think I'll struggle to get this my diamond, so that I'll come and burst this. Come here, you see that my level has already increased, so also my end tab has increased, right? Click on these boosters. You click on these boosters here. You click on the boosters, and once you click on these boosters, it brings you here. Now, I think I'm loving this. I'm loving this. So you can increase your tab here. You can also increase your tab here. If I click here, I think I have enough. So yes, I have enough. I'll click on go ahead to increase this. click on go ahead to increase the energy and all that. You keep increasing. Now each day you have three free full energy, free energy. Yes, then just keep upgrading it, upgrading this multi-tab, upgrading this energy limits, upgrading your boosters. That is all you need to know about this Dragonz Land. So the first thing I said is make sure your wallet is connected. Make sure your wallet is connected. You can connect either with Ton, you can connect with Venom. And if I want to share a video on how to create a Venom account, please let me know. Is another exchange, like another exchange. Then make sure you come to this your tax. Do your tax every day. Do your daily tax. Then make sure you tap this icon, any icon you see here. Once you are leveling up, make sure you tap it. Then also invite your friends. Invite your friends. The more friends you invite, the more bonuses you get, the more tokens you get. Then improve your cards. That is all you need to do on this place. So I hope you gain 1 or 2 things. So if you want me to keep sharing more of this, leave me comments in the comment section. Ask questions if you don't understand. I always respond to your questions. And do me a very big favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel so that you do not lose out on all the awesome things I share here. Then do yourself a big favor, a very big favor, and click on notification bell so that you do not miss out on every of my updates. And that's all for me for now. See you in that subsequent update. Bye for now.